Hi, I'm a micro-tear. Whenever you challenge your muscles with resistance, I pop up and make tiny tears in your fibers. Don't worry, that's my job.
Hi, I'm Protein. I put my magic straight into your tissue. I build and renew your body from the inside.
Hi, I'm cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. When pressure hits, I jump in to keep you alive.
Hi, I'm lactic acid, your backup fuel. When you're exercising too hard to breathe enough oxygen, I jump in. I break down sugar to give your muscles an instant energy boost.
I'm creatine. I help you create instant energy so you can lift heavier, sprint faster, and push through those last few reps.